Ready to unlock the world of online shopping with your RBC debit card? First, you'll want to ensure your card is activated for online use. Log into your RBC online banking account through the website or mobile app. Navigate to your profile settings or account services, usually found represented by an icon of a gear or silhouette. Look for an option related to debit card settings, online purchasing, or transaction controls. Here, you'll find a toggle or button to enable online and international use of your debit card. Tap to activate. Now that your card is activated, visit the online store where you wish to make a purchase. Add the items you want to your card. Proceed to the checkout page and select debit card as your payment method. You may also see it listed as Interac online, depending on the store. You will be prompted to enter your card details: the 16-digit card number, the expiry date printed on the card, and the 3-digit CVV code located on the back. Double-check all information before proceeding. You'll then be redirected to a secure Interac online payment gateway, often featuring the RBC logo. This verifies the transaction through your bank. For enhanced security during transactions, many platforms offer two-factor authentication. Consider setting that up for an added layer of protection. This may require a code sent to your phone or email. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to the online store to view your order confirmation, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully made an online purchase using your RBC debit card. Now go enjoy your online shopping.